Hello again, guys. Pompey Picker back again. So I've managed to pick up a couple of these old rim locks. Yeah, beautiful locks. I think it says on there Rob Langbeer and Co. Birmingham. There's also a patent number on there and registered. Was it registered steel case, registered steel case. So yeah, looks like a pretty old thing, but yeah, beautiful lock. I think it's just a one lever sort of mortise type lock. So yeah, with the old homemade tension tool, we'll pop it in, give it a go. So hook the wire in, and so I'm pretty sure it's only one lever. I've not opened them up yet, but once I get this open, we'll have a look inside and see what we've got. Right, and there she goes. Get the tension tool out. Seems to be it doesn't want to play. There we go. Yeah, so I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll just put that back there. And we'll see what we've got inside. So beautiful old things. I think my father-in-law actually gave me these. Used to be in demolition, so he always collects bits and pieces like this, and he dropped them down to me and said, you know, have a look at those. So yeah, look at that. Just the one lever. Just the one lever in there, which obviously locks the bolt. Lift that lever, and the bolt's thrown again. So pretty basic stuff, but I suppose back in the day it was what worked. So yeah, absolutely beautiful lock. So yeah, I thought I'd share that with you guys. It's a yes, it's on this one. Yeah, Rob Langbeer and Co. Birmingham. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll speak to you soon.